So hey guys, welcome back to our channel Friendly Discussions. Me Gayatri here to discuss the third chapter of Science Class 8. The name of the chapter is Synthetic Fibers and Plastics. Before proceeding, I want to tell you that this chapter was divided into two parts. The first one is synthetic fiber and the second one is plastics. I have already uploaded the first video part or video that is synthetic fiber. If you didn't have been seen, then check it out in the description box. I have already given the link of the first part. Let's proceed with the second part, that is plastics. So what do you mean by plastics? Plastics are very familiar to us because we use it in our many household things in our everyday life or everyday uses. Plastic are also polymer. I have already explained what is polymer as other synthetic fibers are. Plastics are not in a same arrangement. Some are linear whereas some are cross-linked. Plastics are available in various types like some are cross-linked and some are linear. Plastic articles are can be molded easily and it can be given a various type of shapes as you want. It can be deformed. Plastic can be reduced, reset, reused, or shape different type of shapes or rolled into sheets and as well as you want. That is why such varieties of plastic are used in our daily life. Polythene. Polythene, it means it is made up of poly and ethene. It is a simple and common example of plastic which is commonly used as carry bag as polythene bags too. When we add hot water to a plastic bottle, it gets deformed. Such plastic which get deformed easily on heating or melted on heating, they are known as thermoplastic. Polythene and PVC are some of the example of thermoplastic. These are used in manufacturing toys, combs and various types of containers and etc. On the other hand, there are some plastic which when molded once, they can't be changed once again. They are known as thermosetting plastics. Two examples of thermosetting plastic are bakelite and melamine. Bakelite and melamine are the bad conductor of heat and electricity. They didn't get melted or they didn't harm us by the electricity. So these are used in making of pans, handle of pans, cooking pans, frying pans, or it is also bakelite is used in making of electric boards, switches and etc. Now plastic as materials of choice. Today if we think of storing some food items like water, milk, dry foods, pickles and etc. Mainly or partially we refers to the plastic containers, plastic bottles and etc. Because plastics are lightweight, easy to handle, lower price, good strength and etc. Now the plastics are also to highly specialized plastic. We use plastic as in our car, aircraft, spacecraft, helicopter, aeroplane and etc. And like which we use to transport. Okay, the list is endless. If we start counting, then articles like slipper, furniture, decoration pieces and etc. are made up of plastics. Now let us discuss the characteristic properties of plastics. Plastics are non-reactive. You know that metals like iron just get rusted when it is left or exposed in the moisture and air. When it contact moisture and air, then it get rusted. We are already read in our previous class in the 7th class. But plastic didn't react in when it is in the contact of moisture, water, air and etc. products. They are coated easily. That is why they are used in many articles or materials. It is also used in storing chemicals too. Now the second point is plastic is light, strong and durable. Talk to your parents or grandparents. They can inform you that what type of buckets they use or mops they use. If you know the answer or if you get informed, then just text in the comment section. Now, I want to tell you that since plastic is very light, strong and durable and can be molded into different shape, size, color, texture, it is used in a various purposes. Plastic are generally cheaper than metals. They are very expensive. Metals are very expensive, but plastics are very cheap. Okay. Now, they are widely used in industries and for household articles. If you want to make a list of them, you can make it. Now the third one is plastics are poor conductor. You have already learned that plastics are poor conductor of heat and electricity. That's why plastics are used in wires covering. And they are also used in the handles of tester, screwdrivers and etc. Some plastics, some thermosetting plastics are used in frying pans, handle, cookers handle and etc. Now the fourth one is the plastics and the environment. This part is very important. Please don't take it very lightly because this is the most important part of this chapter. So when we go to the market, we usually get things wrapped in plastic or packed in polythene bags or wrappers. As we have already known that the plastics are not environment friendly, it didn't get decomposed by the act of decomposers. Yeah, it is get decomposed, but it takes 1,000 of years to get decomposed. If we burn the plastic, it will release poisonous fumes, and poisonous fumes can cause air pollution. Have you ever seen a garbage dump where animals unknowingly swallow the food items which are wrapped by a polythene bag or wrapped by a polythene or plastics? The plastic material can choke the respiratory system of these animals or forms a lining in their stomach and they can die too. So please, it's a humble request by the Friendly Discussion family to don't throw the plastics carelessly. It can clog the drains and it can be harmful for animals, cows and etc. as animals. Now the 5R principles. The 5R principles are, the first one is reduce, second one is reuse, the third one is refuse, the fourth one is recover, the fifth one and the last one is recycle. Now the extra part is fiber wise. Do not throw plastic bags in the water bodies or on the road. Now the second one is take a cotton carry bag or a jute bag while going for a shopping. Now the third one is try to minimize the uses of plastic materials. In example, use the steel lunch box instead of plastic lunch box. So guys, today we have covered the third chapter of Science Class 8. The name of the chapter is Synthetic Fibers and Plastic. If you like to discuss with me, then like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. We have a target to get 500 subscriber family. So please guys, I know you will definitely subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.